Hi there, it's me again, your Lavanya. We are going to start with the very first verse in Thiruvarutpayan. We have started with this particular holy text yesterday, and we are going to move on to the very first verse, which is written in the form of kural. Kural is a type of grammatic way of writing a poetry. So, as I said earlier itself, it is made of 7 words. The first sentence will have 4 words and the second sentence will have 3 words. Let's not go too much into the grammatical aspects over here. What we are here for is only to understand the holy text and to understand what kind of a path is this Saiva Siddhantam. So, let's start with the very first verse. The very first verse talks about, it's under the chapter called as Pathi Mudhu Nilai, which means to understand the omnipresent. Understanding the qualities of the omnipresent is the first title that we are going to discuss about, and the first verse goes this way. Agara uyir pol arivaagi engum nigaril irai nirkum nirainthu. This is a beautiful statement. I'm not sure how much non-English speaking personnel can really comprehend this, but I'm going to try my best, as I said earlier. If you look at it, he is giving a comparison, because whenever we compare certain things, we can easily understand. But what can we compare for God? Because God is beyond comparison. That is what he says, nigaril, irai, which is uncomparable. You can't compare with anything or anyone in this world. He is all by himself. Now, in order for us to understand something, we need to compare with something that we know so that we can comprehend something which we are not aware of. That is what our Guru is trying to do now. He is comparing God with the simple letter called as A. It is not A as in pronounced in English, because the English alphabets are a bit different. So, this is basically A in Tamil. If you look at the this particular syllable A, it comes without any effort. You don't need to do anything specific for this. You don't need to take any particular action for it. Just simply open your mouth, you get this particular syllable called as A. So, just A, that's it. So, just opening the mouth is sufficient. So, without any effort, we are able to pronounce this. Same ways, without any effort, we will be able to realize God. The second one, if you look at the Tamil alphabets like Ka, Tha, Pa, Ma, La, Va, whatever it is, all these are additions of 2 alphabets. One is Ik plus A, Iv plus A, Ith plus A, which means the syllable A merges with any of the alphabet over here, and it hides its own form, its own shape, but while pronouncing the alphabet, it is showing itself. Similar to what we are seeing with Lord Shiva. He hides his form. Are we able to see his form? No, but we are able to feel his presence. Similar to that, the letter A combines with any kind of an alphabet. It doesn't show itself, but without A, we won't be able to pronounce any other letter, any other word, any other sentence. So, which means the alphabet A plays a very, very primary role. In other words, without A, we will not be able to even form a statement. That is the beauty of this particular alphabet A. So, the Guru here gives a comparison. He says, you see, you are aware of the alphabet A, right? Similar to that, God is everywhere, just that he is hiding himself. His form is not shown to you, but you can feel his presence everywhere. You can reach him effortlessly only when you are ready to shed down your ego. That is what the first syllable is talking about, A. So, you see here, agara uyir pol arivaagi engum nigaril, irai, nirkum, nirainthu. Similar to the alphabet A, God is everywhere. He is omnipresent, omnipotent. You can't define, you can't limit him, there is no boundary for him, but he is everywhere. Just that you're not able to see him, but you're able to feel him. That comes with the very first verse under the topic Pathi Mudhu Nilai. We will come back again with the second Kural very soon. Until then, bye bye.